Hey guys, this is Justin Chalice from the John Bear Auto Group. For this week's tip, we're going to head over to New Hamburg and talk to Jordan about why it's important to change your air filter.
Hi, my name is Jordan Saunders and I'm a licensed technician here at John Bear, and I've been here for 5 years. A cabin air filter, or HEPA air filter, is a particulate filter located in behind the glove box of your vehicle. And what it does is filters out particulate and contaminants from coming into the air that you breathe. It's important to change your HEPA air filter when it gets dirty, as eventually it will exhaust its ability to absorb contaminants and particulate matter. So the contaminants that it absorbs is things like mold and dust and allergens, and these things can obviously adversely affect your health if left too long. As you can see, there's a little bit of a difference between the old and the new. A HEPA air filter should be changed every 36,000 kilometers or 2 years, whichever comes first as stated in your owner's manual. However, we do check them every oil change and multi-point health check visit.
That's it for this week. If you have any questions, head on over to johnbear.com. I'm Justin Chalice, and until the next one.